With the new MAX78000 from Maxim integrated, it's now possible to do true edge AI and bring computer vision to devices without requiring an internet connection. The MAX78000 optimizes power, speed, and cost for small devices. Speed is a significant factor for AI because with faster inferencing, you can improve accuracy. The MAX78000 EV kit gives you everything you need to build up your prototype for computer vision at the edge. The Xailient face detector for the EV kit allows you to see a new kind of computer vision. Designed for low-power edge applications, Xailient computer vision works by producing a salience heat map of all the pixels in the frame. This allows you to prioritize the data that matters. Combined with the award-winning MAX78000, this means you can now deploy computer vision to small devices. A popular use case is the visual wake word. This is the visual equivalent of saying, "Hey Alexa." It can also be used as a more intelligent motion detection. That means you can build systems that interact with their users in a natural way. The MAX78000 provides enough power not just for classification, but also localization, so we can see that there are faces and where in the field of view those faces are. This makes it possible to deliver advanced applications like person counting. It's not just faces and people. Vehicles or custom objects can be detected and counted as well. Systems now know not just that something is there, but where it is. Obvious applications in safety, but also knowing which spot is occupied. Xailient AI can be trained to any type of object and to distinguish between them. Example code from Xailient can show you how to do post-processing to create heat maps or patterns of movement so you can track objects over time. Know if something's arriving or departing. The same technology can be used in reverse to protect privacy, redacting faces from camera systems, or to monitor room occupancy. Xailient can work with customers to optimize their CV from edge to cloud. We can help you fit more AI on the MAX78000. The customer journey follows a simple process: collecting data, labeling that data, training AI, and finally deploying to the MAX78000. This can be done at manufacturing or through over-the-air software updates after delivery. In many cases, customers or Xailient already have data that they can provide, accelerating the sales cycle. Xailient Computer Vision and the MAX78000. Better together.